American Idol, how are these hopefuls looking this season, guys?
Better than ever.
Better than ever.
Better than ever. Last year there was some that we saw and we thought ringers, they're going to go in. And this year there's a lot more than that. It's not just one or two. So that talent has just been coming in stronger and stronger.
Are you guys seeing any clear front runners this early on?
I think there's a lot of them. I think
lot
that's
of
that will be the issue this season. I mean, I think last season, both Steve and Jennifer and I, we saw a couple people go, okay, they're definitely going to be in the final.
Right.
But this season, I don't know. It's any number of 10 or 12 people.
Yeah, it can go any way. I really don't know who's gonna do it because we have so many talented people. You just have to see who kind of, can kind of go through the process and really, really shine.
Fun thing about Idol, seeing how the judges all interact with one another. So, any big disagreements so far that we've seen?
One.
It was only
We had one.
It was only one.
I couldn't believe I got so upset.
But it was, well,
so
are you
angry.
talking about the one?
I do.
Wait a minute. Are you thinking about
She
the
apologized,
everything?
and then she apologized.
But
And
wait
then
a
I felt
minute.
good, and I went home, and it was all good.
I was like, oh!
You remember the one about the pumpernickel or sourdough?
It was chemo, chymo, stare, mahai, maho, marumstick, a pumpernickel.
That
Soup,
was
bang,
it.
nipcat, parliament, a cameo, and then she said, I love you, and everything was good after
Yeah.
that.
You see? Yeah.
Just
It
throw
started
it
like
out
that.
there.
That's how it
Throw
started.
it out.
Yeah.
What about Jennifer? Are we going to see you getting emotional this season?
I don't think after all these years of being the same person that I will change this year.
Okay, we might shed some
It's who
tears.
she is. It's who she is. She's
I'm
got
an
love in
emotional
her heart.
person. I mean, as artists, we are emotional people. We're very passionate. I care about what I do, or else I wouldn't be doing it. So, if something moves me and touches me in that way, then yeah.
There's so many talent competition shows out there now with shows like The Voice and with X Factor. Do Idol?
Are those shows on TV?
Do you feel that you need to raise, the game even more than ever with, the competition?
I think we are the game, aren't we?
Exactly.
Following in.
Hello.
Come
we
on
are
now.
the game,
Give
baby.
some-
Yo.
Come on.
Yo. We are the game.
That answers that question.
Game over.
I know you guys are so excited about Idol. Very exciting news for you. You got recently engaged. Congratulations.
Why, thank you very
Yeah,
much.
Stevie, congrats, man. Come on, man.
Thanks.
I love that.
When did you decide, you wanted to do it again?
In the last year, I mean, just doing Idol and doing Aerosmith, and on the side an occasional Oprah. And so I need some grounding, so I just figured I'd slip it in there, you know what I mean?
Okay.
The ring I meant, dude.
Right, of course.
What are you like?
Right.
Come on now.
Yeah.
Clean.